What's up guys, this is Nate and today I'm going to be walking you through a program I recently created called MyTunes. It is a media player that's like iTunes, right? But I developed it more for playlist management. You will see what I mean by that in a second. Okay, so firstly, I created this media player using just Java and the Java Zoom library. The Java Zoom library is for playing the music. So right now I'm going to walk you through a clean install of my program. So all you do is you go to where your music is located, right? Add it like that. Boom, you have all your songs now. And create a playlist. It's just like any other whatever media player. Rock. Let's do classic. Okay, so what I mean by playlist management is that if I want to create a playlist, it's really easy for my media player. So if I want silent partner, if I want magic marker to be in rock, all you do is push 0. So boom. And you push 0 right now because you can see this number right here is actually a hotkey number. So if I want now, if I want on it's really catchy. Okay, so now if I want this song in classic, just push 1. Check it's in the classic, right? And you might be asking yourself, how do you get back to your music if there's no music button right here, like iTunes or other media players? All you do is push escape from my my media player. So I have a lot of things hotkeyed. So like for instance, if I want to pause the music player, I just push spacebar. Oh so I'm gonna add, so on the box already in classic, let's add it to rock. So now if you didn't know if it was in both playlists, all you have to do is look next to the name. So right now I have on the box selected, right? So if I want to see this in this playlist, all I have to do is look at this and check mark box, and that denotes it's in that playlist. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that the threading works. So if I go to, where's it at? Time. So the shortest song right now, I'm gonna play it. So you'd expect the song to go to the next song after 4 seconds. Boom. Yeah, so the threading by far was the hardest thing to do about this program. Like when the I just have to manage too many things at once. Or next song, next song, next song, previous. Okay, the search bar is pretty cool. Or good starts. Where's good starts at? We're getting there. Okay, so what about this program? So the threading I mentioned is the hardest part. The second hardest part was the volume knob, because there's like no documentation for this. So it's really not hard making a volume knob, but making it so it works when you unplug the your headphones, or changing the output. Changing the output source is difficult because you have to be able to detect the output source. And like I said, there was just no documentation, so that was pretty tricky. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly add all these songs to the playlist. Okay, so a little bit about the structure of the program. So when I first add the all the songs to the playlist, I don't make a copy of the song. All I do is copy the address. So I store everything in a hash map, and all I do is copy the address, and then I physically go through the song to look for the tags, so I can find the tag is gonna be located in the front or at the end of the song. There's tag version 1 and tag version 2, and that's gonna list like the artist name and the album and miscellaneous information like that, or information like that. To find like the time of the song, you actually like count the bytes, and it'll vary upon like other factors, but it's pretty complicated. it's not complicated, it just takes some time to figure it out. So yeah, I store everything to a hash map, and then I serialize the object. I come from a C++ background, so I wasn't really like aware of like serializable objects, but in Java you get to serialize your stuff, or certain stuff. So store it as the properties. It's pretty cool though. And for playlists, all I do is I store like the number, or like the address of the song. It's pretty basic, but it works, and I have no problems right now. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this program. Ta-da.